I met him on a sunny day in late July, and everything turned upside down. I almost lost track of time as weeks went by. I couldn't get him off my mind. I told him I want that great love, like standing in the middle of a bonfire. You don't know how you got there, but you hold tight, knowing that you can't get burned. Just tell me how we lost track of everything but each other. I honestly don't know. And tell me how we messed up, drifting away from each other. Didn't wanna let you go. Cause we wanted different things, and I have to deal with it, but it's not easy. So tell me how to let go, cause you really seem to know how to carry on your own.
And it's full of fuel. So just return full. And your key. And this is to exit ticket right
Yes, okay.
Yes. So the car is on level B2. Take this
B2.
last lift down to B2. Turn right.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you so much.
Stumbling out of bed, and I still got you in my head. From all those pretty words you said, it's like I'm wasted. Every time I see your face, I'm losing track of time and space. I don't know where I am, it's like I'm wasted, and I won't waste it. And I promise that I will stand by you forever. I can't get you out of my mind. I will follow you wherever, and I won't waste it.
This afternoon.
I don't know. We can go to the sea cliff again and take that pick up.
I don't wanna say no, ain't gonna keep it lit. Now, if you wanna go, let's go. Let's wrap it up and hit the road. I just gotta know some vibe. Striking the wind up hopes now. Everything's on my mind. We've taken off, we've left the ground. You gotta understand that we get one chance, one chance. You.
No worries.
Thanks so much.
Yeah, like I know they're big, but I thought they were flat. So how do you two know each other?
Same class. Oh my gosh.
So we've got a few spare blankets.
Wow.
And a couple more over there.
Oh yeah.
We've got
What there? Oh,
pop-up tent.
oh, tent, pop-up tent.
But we've also got somewhere over here. We've also got this properly.
Yeah.
Oh.
really hot.
Yeah, it's good.
That's good.
I prefer the nature picture.
Oh right, yeah. So this it's mountaintops. It's got like lots of rocky bluffs. It's beautiful. I think there's a lookout at the top. It's got pay pass, I think. Is it hours or is it?
¿Cómo nos haces eso? Same truck. Twin Force. Oh, Twin Force.
No. Just like that.
It wasn't cold though, it wasn't too
Yeah, but there weren't many people.
Yeah. Yeah, that's right. I'm gonna go put the car over where I think we should stay.
Okay. Somewhere there. いけんのか。
Just like spare stuff that we have, it's not the best stuff. We were thinking you were going to bring pillows too, so we've only got...
We haven't used that.
But I'll be back home.
Steps.
Maria
Okay, does everyone like everything? That's good. Cheese? Everyone cheese?
Yes.
Where's the cheese? Dessert Doritos?
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
Yeah. See you soon. You go first. I'll follow you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
All right.